Yo, what is going on today, boys? It is your boy Aaron, and welcome back to Aaron Trades, where we talk about the stock market, look at charts, analyze data, and make some trades. In today's video, we are doing the small account challenge. I forget what day it is. I have to go back and look. I didn't even go back and look last time, but I'm gonna go ahead and look this time, and hopefully the audio is a little bit louder. I fixed some settings. I'm talking a little bit louder. But let's just go ahead and get into this. If you think you're going to like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go and smash that like button, that subscribe button. Comment down below what you guys want to see. I also do training videos, and I'm also going to just be talking about regular stocks here soon. But today, a little bit better. As you can see, days P&L, we are up another $100. Open P&L is 37. Obviously, I got some things that are still up in there, but we made $100 today. Let's go ahead and talk about how we made $100 today. Well, if you go ahead and look here, the SPY, wow, just kind of took all the way off. As you can see in the open, yeah, we don't mind this, manipulation wick here, because that's not even real. Like it's not even real. But anyways, as you can see here, the SPY kind of dipped in the morning, bounced off the 100 MA, and then just kind of kept soaring. Now, if the MAs, if you are not familiar with what they are moving averages. Some people use EMA, some people use regular MA, some people use SMA. It just depends on what you want to do. I like doing the just the regular MAs. So bounced off of the 100 MA today, and then kind of just kept on soaring up. I forget where I actually got in. I did kind of oversleep a little bit, so I did miss this bounce. But needless to say, like, I saw the bounce whenever I woke up, and I want to say I got in right around like here-ish. I want to say this, yeah. Right around here, and then it just kind of kept on pushing all the way up, literally all day today. I jumped in a 588 call, and I think I sold on this rip right here. Is either this rip. Yeah, I sold on this rip right here, and then I saw it consolidating for a little bit more, so I just jumped in a 591 call, and it kind of, as you can see, it did go up to 591. What was the high of this today? What was the high of this candle? It's not really telling me what it is, but the high was 591 like 36 or something like that, and we cashed out on the 588 call. What did we make? We made, now I did have a bad trade, and we'll get into that. And this is actually kind of going back from yesterday's video into today, but we'll get into that. I had a bad trade, but the 588 made me about $100, and then the 591 made me also about $30. That is one of the plays that I did today. That was not in yesterday's video, but that is okay, because what was in yesterday's video was NVTS, boys. And as you can see, I didn't go all in or whatever. I think I did a fourth of my total account. I got in at 5, 10, 16 shares, and you can see this baby started trucking up. It is still consolidating here, which honestly is a good sign. I kind of want it to keep consolidating a little bit more into tomorrow, and then into Nvidia earnings, and then just freaking take off after Nvidia earnings. So I'm still gonna be holding this at least double digits. It looks to be flagging right here. I don't know. Little triangle here. You just put that down, boom, you can make the adjustments, whatever. You guys get what I'm trying to say here. Nice little triangle looks to be forming, nice little flag looks to be forming. That's on the hour chart, and then the 4-hour chart is a bit overbought, so we'll just kind of have to see. But it doesn't really, like these stocks, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter half the time. So that was on yesterday's watch, and jumped in, play hit nicely. I think I'm up like 20 something bucks on that. I think the height was up $24, yeah, right here. I think the height was right around 50. Probably should have sold, but I did not, because I believe this thing could go double digits. Like, look at the volume, crazy. And then we also got into sound. I think that was on the watch list yesterday. Only really got 15. But let's talk about QUBT, boys. I should have waited, but I didn't. It started tanking here. I jumped in. I want to say, yeah, I jumped in here. Like, as it was beginning to sort of break out, I got faked out. I can't even lie. I took the 13.5 call like I wanted to, and then it kind of went down, and I think I lost around 70 to 80 bucks on that. Which kind of, yeah, like I said, kind of really put a dent into everything. I don't know if it was that exactly. Maybe it was like 60 bucks, who knows. But yeah, kind of really made a nasty little dent in the profits, and that's why I don't like to overtrade, and that's why I always like to wait for confirmation. Again, I went against my own grain, my own strategy, and I jumped it. But that is okay because we still made $100 a day, simply because SPY took off today. The market kind of took off today. But let's talk about tomorrow and what I am looking at. So I'm looking at some AMC 2.5 calls. I did jump into those today, and I'm currently up just $10. I only have 2 of them, and I keep forgetting that I keep unplugging this. So I only have 2 of these, but AMC posted record-breaking Memorial Day weekend. It was record breaking, so this thing started going up a little bit. And now, if you've ever played AMC, you know the buzz, the cult following that this stock has. So this thing could very well go up tomorrow. Yeah, you can see here $9.88. For some reason in the past, because I used to own shares in the past, this $3 mark is marked. I don't really know why. I'm gonna do a little bit more TA, because I like TA. Most people don't like TA. I like TA. I'm gonna do a little bit of TA and kind of see where this thing can go. But it's got a cult following. Don't really know what's gonna happen tomorrow. I think I only put like $30 into it, so I'm not really worried. HIMS, I did not play HIMS. That was on the watch yesterday. Did not play HIMS at all, so I kind of dodged that one. But AMC is on the list, but I kind of want to talk about one that I think might be a crazy runner here soon. So I've got just 1 share so far, and I'm going to definitely get some more into this, but I just want to back up a little bit. I'm definitely going to get a lot more of this. I just want to back up real quick though, and I want you to tell me, just tell me what you see. Just tell me what this picture is. Is this not the most gorgeous, perfect looking cup and handle you guys have ever seen in your entire life? We got the cup, we got the handle, and we got the... Dude, who knows where this thing could go? This thing could go like 20, 25 bucks. This thing could hit new all-time highs, honestly, here soon. I'm gonna be holding it. I'm gonna be swinging it. We're gonna see what she does. That is on the watch. I've got a few more that are on the watch that may or may not be hitting. Citigroup, as you can see here, this daily candle is just insane. Up so much, right? I would like to see a little bit more volume here, but if we can break out of this like 76 area, I think I might try some calls up to, I don't know, like maybe 78, maybe 80. So we're kind of watching that, just looking for a break of this 76 area right here. We're just gonna put that guy here, and stuff like this is like, it actually works. We can even lower this a little bit. Let's move that to here. But if that's the case, that's touching. Nah, I kind of like it where it was. Let's put that back. So like maybe 76.09. Just trying to break this area. As you can see, in the past, it kind of broke below that area, dropped a lot, started kind of just tagging. Once it broke up, it kind of dipped a little bit, came back, tapped that area again, and just kind of kept going. So you can really use stuff like this to see like where stocks may be heading. And I bet if we back up here, if this even goes, does it even go? Oh yeah. Are you kidding me? Look at this. All the way back here. See? Crazy area of support and resistance, even from way back in the day. So if it breaks that, there is actually no telling where this thing could freaking just launch to. So we'll be looking there. And I think that's about it. I mean, we got a few more. I'm not going to really dive too far into. And again, we got BBAI, which would love to break around this 4 or 5 area. And then LU. Oh my gosh, I've done it every single time. And then LU is just looking kind of strong here. Nice momentum candle, maybe starting. Nice little hammer candle at the bottom here. Volume definitely creeped up a little bit. So if we can break out of this, let's look, honestly. Yeah, maybe if we can hold around above this 1.3 area, it could kind of go up a little bit more, maybe up here to this 3.5 area. So we'll kind of just be watching. We'll see what it does. It's got some decent dividends. Wow, I never even noticed that. Oh, $3 or 3 cents compared to $2. That's insane. But yeah, that is the account for today. We are up $100. Took some really great trades, also took one bad trade, but it's all good because the overtrading significantly less than this past week. I should have made videos. I don't know why I didn't, but that is the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.